As we come together to honor this remarkable achievement, we reaffirm our commitment to uphold its values. Through this celebration, we aim to deepen our understanding of the Constitution and remind ourselves of our fundamental rights and duties as citizens of this great nation. Our dedication and creativity brought out the best in everyone. I also want to extend my gratitude to all fellow teammates who put their hearts and souls for their flawless execution and teamwork. Let us carry forward the information we have learned today and continue to work together, united. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead.
As citizens of a great nation, it's our fundamental duty to honor and respect the idols that form the foundation of this democracy. Let us now try to sing a national anthem, a symbol of our unity, diversity, and command.
God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth should shake, though the mountains shake in the heart of the sea, though its waters roar and foam, though the mountains tremble with its tumult. There is a river whose streams make glad the city of God, the holy habitation of the Most High. God is in the midst of the city, it shall not be moved. God will help it when the morning dawns. The nations are in uproar, the kingdoms totter. He utters his voice, the earth melts. The Lord of hosts is with us, the God is our refuge. So good morning, dear respected teachers and my dear students. Having witnessed a beautiful prayer assembly, bringing the whole governments of our country here on this stage, I'm happy to address you all on this day when we celebrate the Constitution Day. It's also known as Sanvidan Divas, a day that holds profound significance in the history of our nation. On this very day in 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution and it remains as the cornerstone of our democracy. So as educators and learners, it is essential for us to recognize the importance of our Constitution in shaping our collective identity. It empowers us with the rights such as the right of education, freedom of speech, and equality before the law. At the same time, it calls upon us to fulfill our duties, such as respecting our national symbols, protecting our environment, and upholding the spirit of brotherhood. The students on this day, we need to take inspiration from the framers of the Constitution, who displayed unparalleled dedication, foresight, and unity. They worked tirelessly, setting aside personal and political differences to lay the foundation of democratic India. So as students, you are the torchbearers of our nation's future. So the Constitution provides you the platform to dream big and achieve greatness while contributing to society's welfare. As you grow, I urge you all to study this invaluable document, understand its essence, and uphold the principles in your daily life. So we need to pledge, as already we have taken the pledge today, to honor the spirit of the Constitution, work for the unity and the integrity of our nation, and strive towards making India a stronger and more inclusive society. Let's never forget the words of our Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. So on this special occasion, I am very happy in appreciating the efforts of our social studies and history department teachers for organizing a meaningful and memorable celebration. I'm sure all of you got the glimpse of how our leaders formulate the policy or pass the bill and how the debate takes place in the parliament. Those were lots of fantastic ones. So today's assembly was not just an event, it was a journey that took us back to the roots of our great democracy. In the initial part, they highlighted the sacrifices, struggles, and wishes that shaped our constitution. The inspiring speeches, powerful presentations, and the creative way of bringing all the educational matters for us to understand about how the government takes place with its governance. So that was brought out very creatively and was truly enriched our understanding of this monumental day. So I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the teachers and students for planning and conducting, as the assembly was beautifully summarized and giving us all the feel of a great proud citizens of country. So I'm sure the way they presented made us to feel that we are also taking part in that debate, or maybe we also have a share of our thoughts expressed on the stage. A good feel brought, and all of you were very disciplined, listening very attentively till the end. So I appreciate the class, the teachers in charges, all the department, history department, all the teachers. I'm not taking names. All there are many teachers. So I congratulate all of you, headed by all of you. So let us give a big applause to our teachers, history department, for this wonderful prayer that is conducted, the Constitution Day celebration. And upcoming, there are again various competitions they have planned already, which will be intimated to you. It's already informed to you also. They have various competitions, including quizzes, debates, and creative art contests. So these activities again, it's not to only celebrate constitution, but also it encourages your active participation, your teamwork, and a deeper connection to the values enshrined in this guiding document. So dear dedicated teachers, your tireless effort to instill a sense of patriotism and constitutional awareness among our students deserve the highest praise. So you have gone beyond the classroom teaching to inspire young minds to embrace the ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. So once again, I extend my heartiest congratulations and I wish all of us remain as a proud Indian, following the instructions and the laws, fulfilling the duties and ensuring the rights that we are entitled to. So I wish you all the best. God bless you.